If you love easy, delicious meals, then you need this chicken veggie soup recipe. Let's dive in. Start by heating a tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot. Add 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast or thighs and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until browned. Remove the chicken and set it aside. In the same pot, sauté 1 diced onion, 2 sliced carrots, and 2 sliced celery stalks for about 5 minutes until they're soft. Add 3 minced garlic cloves and cook for another minute. Pour in 4 cups of chicken broth, 1 can of diced tomatoes, optional, 1 chopped zucchini, and the cooked chicken. Simmer for 20 minutes. Remove the chicken, shred it, and return it to the pot. Stir in 1 cup of spinach or kale, season with salt and pepper, and simmer for another 5 minutes. Garnish with fresh parsley if you like. There you have it. A hearty, healthy chicken veggie soup, perfect for any night of the week.